Hello, my name is Mark Boyce with Scared Shipless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. We've done a lot of customizing on this 1969 Camaro, including the taillights, but I really want to show you this really cool bumper that we incorporated on this car also. We actually started off with a 1972 Cuda bumper. We actually cut 7 inches out of each end of it. We actually split it in the middle. We sucked it in, and then we Frenched the end caps. We also got the curve here, the same curve as our lower valance, and it is cool. Let's take a closer look. So we actually French cut our bumper right in there. Once we get this thing filled and sanded and welded up a little bit more, dial it in, that thing's gonna fit really incredibly nice. Our exhaust tips look totally cool. Our license plate area. Yeah, this bumper actually came out pretty nice. We actually had a Cuda here, and I was looking at it, I said, man, I think we can make that bumper work on this vehicle. And sure enough, there it is. I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks for some really cool tips, tricks for your classic car, muscle car, and other. And this is one fine ride. And remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks. Put our taillights in here off of something. Wrecks. Man, we're getting ready. And muscle cars. Some really cool parts on this car that we've